Upgrading your home is one of the best ways to enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, but few improvements offer a higher return on investment than a door replacement. In Baltimore neighborhoods, where historic charm meets modern living, the right front or patio door can significantly increase your property's market value. Here's how investing in a new door can make a lasting impact on your home's worth. Curb appeal that sells. First impressions matter, especially in Baltimore's diverse neighborhoods, from the stately row homes of Federal Hill to the tree-lined streets of Roland Park. A stylish, well-crafted door instantly upgrades your home's exterior, creating a welcoming focal point. Modern steel or fiberglass entry doors, for example, mimic the elegance of wood while providing superior durability and minimal maintenance. Buyers often form their opinions before even stepping inside, and a beautiful front door signals that the home has been cared for and thoughtfully updated. If you're preparing to sell, this small change can make your listing stand out in competitive markets like Canton or Hampton. A fresh, energy-efficient door not only enhances aesthetics but also communicates value and attention to detail. Improved energy efficiency and comfort. Baltimore's climate can be unpredictable. Hot, humid summers and chilly winters can test your home's insulation. Old or poorly sealed doors allow drafts that increase energy bills and reduce indoor comfort. New doors, particularly those with advanced weather stripping, insulated cores, and energy-efficient glass panels, help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. Homebuyers in today's market are increasingly eco-conscious, looking for properties that promise lower energy costs and sustainable living. By upgrading to Energy Star-rated doors, you can cut heating and cooling expenses while adding a feature that appeals to cost-savvy, environmentally aware buyers. This is especially valuable in older Baltimore homes that may have outdated insulation or original fixtures. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Safety is a top concern for any homeowner, and a new door is an investment in peace of mind. Modern exterior doors often include reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials, features that appeal to families and first-time homebuyers alike. In neighborhoods where maintaining security is a key priority, a sturdy, high-quality door adds both functional and emotional value. Whether you choose a sleek steel option or a solid wood composite, upgrading your door ensures your home feels as safe as it looks beautiful. Increased property value and ROI. Few renovations provide as strong a financial return as a door replacement. According to industry data, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment, often between 60% and 90%, when selling. In Baltimore, where character and curb appeal often define property value, that number can climb even higher. A door replacement is a cost-effective project that improves both aesthetics and efficiency, two of the most influential factors in home appraisals. If you're considering future resale, a contemporary entryway or patio door can add thousands to your home's perceived worth. Even if you're not selling soon, you'll benefit from lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and a refreshed exterior that elevates the entire neighborhood's appeal. Complementing Baltimore's architectural diversity. One of Baltimore's greatest strengths is its architectural variety. From classic Victorian row houses to contemporary new builds, every home style can benefit from a thoughtfully chosen door. For example, historic homes in Mount Vernon may pair best with wood-finished doors featuring intricate glasswork. Modern townhomes in Locust Point might opt for minimalist steel or fiberglass models. Suburban properties in areas like Towson or Catonsville can highlight energy efficiency with double entry or French patio doors. Choosing a design that complements your home's architecture ensures visual harmony and boosts both charm and marketability. Final thoughts. Replacing your door might seem like a small upgrade, but in Baltimore's vibrant housing market, it's a smart, high-impact improvement. Whether you're aiming to enhance curb appeal, reduce energy costs, or prepare your home for sale, a new door brings measurable and lasting value. From aesthetics to security to sustainability, it's one of the simplest ways to transform your property and leave a lasting impression on anyone who walks through it.